Hi, I'm back again to talk to you today about how easy it is to install a brand new product that my friend invented called SHAADS. As you can see, I'm going to demonstrate something in a skylight today, and to my left I have a different frame, white with a light beige interior, to show you the beauty of and variety of the SHAADS product. Now as we go back to me, my product, and I'm going to head on up the ladder, is a wood frame that matches the rafters in this room. So again, you can mix and match even with the fabrics. So I'm putting my shot up, getting my fingers out of the way, which would help. Just trying to level it as well. Look at that. I don't even think that was 30 seconds. Simple, easy, I can see out, no sun in, and the beautiful wood frame itself around this fabric. SHAADS.com.